In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contract renewals in HubSpot with RenewalSpot. To do that, you just need to download the application by going over to the marketplace right here. Click on this and click on the HubSpot marketplace. Once you're there, click onto the search tab and search right here for RenewalSpot. So search right here for what we want. You can see right here HubSpot payments, so you can head over and then use that for the contract renewals. Additionally, you can also head over to your search tab and search right here for renewals. And you can see right here that you can manage your upcoming client renewals, so head over and click on that. You can head over and manage it by going over to your partner and going to their dashboard, clicking on the name of the client, as well as the products the client HubSpot subscriptions. You can see right here the renewal manager and the time remaining for renewal. You can also set dates, reminders, and notifications. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.